Hey guys, so if you're looking for the Samsung CU7000 for the best settings to have a best screen, there is like a site called ratings.com, and I definitely recommend when you're going to write ratings.com best settings, you're going to find here. And what you need to do then is just go picture by picture by picture and just follow what they do, and then you're going to have the best settings. And I'm just going to show you. So first, picture mode, you can go with the movie. Then you're going to have brightness 17, contrast 45, color 25. Then contrast enhancer off, color turn warm 2, then gamma 2.2, then also shadow detail 0. Then you're gonna have color space auto, HDMI 1, input signal, and brightness you can change if you want to. 2-point picture quality custom, jitter reduction free, game mode off, device from PC. If you're gonna have a device, HDMI, you're gonna have it right here, and you can just like follow what they do, and then you're gonna have like the colors like red, green, blue, -15, -15, and interval 10%. So check this site and just follow them because they are like the best. And I just want to make this quick video for you so not to waste your time. Have a great day and goodbye.